Hi everyone, it's Emma from Houzz here, and I'll be going through one of our greatest tools in Houzz Pro, the Markup Calculator. So today I'll be showing this inside our software within a proposal. When you want to use your Markup Calculator, scroll down to your line items within your proposal, and you need to go into your Markup column. Here you can hover over your line item and click on the calculator that comes up when you've hovered over. Our markup is the way that you can ensure that you're making money on your products and projects. So here we'll be able to see the cost per unit. This is how much money you're spending on an item, and we can automatically type in a markup percentage. Here, if you want to add in the standard, let's say 25%, it'll automatically calculate the client price per unit. If you're not sure of a percentage but you do know a dollar amount, feel free to skip that markup box and go into the client price per unit box and type in how much you want your client to pay per unit. Here, it'll automatically do the math for you and give you a markup percentage. You've also got a fourth box, which is your recommended retail price. When you source this item from a clipper, or if you've manually added this in through your product library, you've had the opportunity to add in a recommended retail price. So you can say to your client, I'm giving this to you for $6,000, but it actually retails for $7,000, so you can tick that box, and that way you can show the price off retail. This will save you so much time of having to take out your own calculator and work this out in the back end. Once you've made all of your updates, go ahead and click on Set to lock that in. Alternatively, you can add a standard markup across all of your items. If you do add a standard markup, click into the markup title, and that way it'll override all of your existing items and add that new percentage across every line item within that document. That's how you can use the Markup Calculator. Give it a go today and make sure that you're utilizing it to the best you can, as it'll save you so much time and effort of having to figure it all out on your own. Thanks for watching, everyone.